Okay, on a flight. Programmed the flight computer heading to CF04. As you can see, we're trying to head to the magenta line is our actual flight path. We're banking 204, passing through the 3,000 feet, heading for 8,000. She's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive, I say. Checking for traffic. Lower engine information and crew alert system. The upper ECAS or engine information and crew alert system. Captain's primary flight display, nav display. First officer's nav display and PFD or primary flight display. Throttle quadrants rocking and rolling. We're flying. This is St. Louis we just took off from. But she is coming together. Now both flight computers are working. The lower EFIS, upper EFIS, everything on here is functional. First officer's chrono clock, captain's. And you can see all lit up there. You need some brightness, let's just brighten her up. As we have a dimmer for the panel. And let's lower light. I like it better like that, especially at night. So, rocking and rolling, guys. As you can see, we're just about to get right on our flight path. And it tells you 56.4 nautical miles away, 56 nautical miles away, 43 degrees. As you can see, that's where we're going to be heading. Oh, that's for the next one. It's 22 degrees to CF0. As you can see, we're at 20, and we're just about on the line here.
1,000 to go.
1,000 to go for 8,000. You heard him? There she is. That's the backup PFD, and that's our sign. All right. And we also have St. Louis approach. That we're listening to. Kind of quiet out there. Directly on our flight pan. Gotta love it. Let's change over. That's the flight pan telling you which way we're heading to the waypoint. Then to that waypoint, to that waypoint, and we'll turn final. Shows you the waypoints along the way. And that's our approach screen right there. We'll look at that later on. Staying at level at 8,000. Up, let's pull the throttle back. I'm gonna get a little warning on speed if I don't, because I've been busy with you guys recording. Main panel brightness, outer DU, inboard DU, lower DU brightness, background. Main panel, you can change what you're doing. Alright, so we're going to set the auto brake for when we land now. We'll use braking, we'll put it on 5, that's enough, or 3 rather. Gear is obviously off. Put it up to there. Everything's good here. Everything's good here on bright. Main panel DUs, engine priority, PFD. Normal. Okay. Looking good. No warning lights. No fire hazards. Everything looks good. We'll continue. 46 miles away. That's what it says. 46 miles away. We're on target, guys. Maintaining altitude. Let's slow down just a smidge. Going a little fast. Flaps are all the way up. Let's arm our speed brake. Speed brake is armed. You can hear St. Louis over there. St. Louis approach. Okay. There you go. See you guys later. I got a flight to handle.